Good morning, Coryell's class. Today we finished 6.7 volume, and we are working on finding the various parts of volume. Class. Volume can only be measured if you have what type of shape?
3D.
It's got to be a 3D shape, right? 3D means it has how many dimensions? 3 dimensions. It has a length, a width, and a height, right?
Yeah.
What is the label for volume again?
Units cubed.
Units cubed or units to the power of 3. Sure. Dimensions, we just talked about, they're measurements of an object or a shape. And then we said units cubed is the same as units to the power of 3. That's our label when finding volume, right?
Yes.
Because volume has how many dimensions?
3.
3. Hey guys, are you paying attention back there? Because it doesn't look like you are. It's literally what I asked you to not do, you are doing. Your eyes need to be up on the screen, answering the questions that I'm asking. Can you do that? Both of you? Okay. Formulas and labels. Okay, I gotta ask you some questions. You're gonna give me some answers. Class, how do you find perimeter? So perimeter would be like a 2D shape, right?
Yeah.
What is the label for perimeter?
Units.
Units, good. Class, how do you find the area of a square, a rectangle, or a parallelogram? What's the formula? What's the formula again?
Base times height.
What if I asked you to find the area of a triangle? What's that formula?
Base times height divided by 2.
And then last, if I said, hey, you know what? We have a 3D shape now. Let's find the volume. What would be the formula?
Units with 2.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me ask this question again. If I asked you to find the volume of a 3D shape, what would be the formula?
Length times width times height.
And a 3D shape has 3 dimensions, right?
Yeah.
So we're literally calculating all 3 dimensions.
Yeah.
I'll stop again. Can you look up here and stop looking at those guys in the back of the room? Is that something you can do? All right. So we know volume is length times width times height, right?
Yeah.
And we know that this is the length, how deep it is or how fat it is the width, right?
Yeah.
And how tall it is the height, yes?
Yeah.
What do you think is better? If you're asked to find the volume, should you count all of the cubes like we did here?
No.
Or should you use your dimensions?
Use your dimensions.
Yeah, because there's some hidden cubes that we can't see, right?
Yeah.
And you don't want to get confused and miscounting those. So we just did length times width times height, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Again, length times width times height, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, last one here. I gave you the length of this shape and I gave you the height of this shape, did I not?
Yeah.
Did I give you the width?
Yeah. No.
No, I said the width is, I don't know. I gave you the volume though, yes?
Yeah.
So does this count as plugins? If I plug in the volume is 576, the length is 12, the height is 6, and the W is missing, does that count as me putting plugins in?
Yeah.
How did we figure out what W was, or how did we talk about it? I know some of you did it a different way, but what is my favorite way, Vivian? I guessed and checked. I literally took my calculator out and I multiplied 12 times 6 and I just started guessing until I found the number that worked, right? And I knew I should probably use numbers right around 12 and 6 or between 12 and 6. And that helped me, yes? We good?